Are you having problem on the co-op food application, like your orders are not showing, or if you are facing any kinds of tracking errors? Well, there are some things that you can try to ensure that you don't face these problems again. There are some things that you can do on your end, like checking your internet connection, clearing your app cache, logging out and logging in onto the application. And to do that, you want to simply first, let's talk about the internet connection. Swipe down from your notification center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. To clear your app cache, you want to simply go to the application, tap and hold on to the app and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache, and here at the bottom you'll see option to clear your storage or cache. Log in or log out of the application, you'll see and sign in option over here. You want to simply go on this login page and sign out and sign in again. However, if this doesn't solve your problem as well, you want to simply contact the official customer support, swipe down all the way and tap on contact us. After that, you'll see all the numbers over here. You can simply give them a call and clarify your problem over there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.